Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior. This is second part of video lecture for class 7, Civics, chapter 3. In this lecture, we will know about who is MLA. The full form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. How any person become MLA? What is constituency? What is opposition party? What is ruling party? Dear student, yesterday we studied about levels of the government. Today we shall study about state government. During election, whole state is divided into so many constituencies. And each constituency elect their representatives. And winner of the election, the representative who brought maximum numbers of vote, will be declared as MLA for that particular constituency. For example, do you know who is your MLA and in which constituency you belong? Dear student, each constituency had to elect their representative, and this representative will work for their constituency. After election is over, all the MLA elect their leader, and that leader will be the chief minister. Means ruling party or the party which had won the more than half seat of total constituencies. I am going to make this clear by an example. Suppose, take an example of Himachal Pradesh, which is given in your books. Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 constituencies, and all the constituency will elect their representative. Means in Himachal Pradesh there will be total 68 MLAs, and this MLA in this election, so many political parties takes part, and the party which won the maximum seat, means the party which won the more than half. More than half means half 68. The half of 68 is 34. The party which got 35 seat will be considered as winner, and he will be called as ruling party. then this party will elect their leader, and their leader will act as their chief minister, and chief minister will choose ministers from rest of the MLAs from ruling party, and rest political parties will act as opposition party. Do you know, for democracy, opposition party plays significant role. And in case of Himachal Pradesh, Congress party, in the election of 2003, Congress party was declared as largest party. This party had won 43 seats. So, leader of this party will be chief minister of this state, and he was Birbhadra Singh. And after becoming chief minister, Birbhadra Singh will choose the ministers from ruling parties. Chief minister and ministers will be appointed by the governor of that state. Here one thing, can you guess? An MLA play two roles. An MLA can play two roles. One is he will act as MLA, and he will act as minister. Means any person who is MLA, he will also become a minister. Means one person can represent two what? Two administrative posts. Here, governor appoint chief minister, and chief minister chief minister choose the minister from the ruling party. That's all. Tomorrow is Sunday. Till that, stay at home to fight with Corona. Have a nice day.